How to fix filters option not showing on WhatsApp video call. So if you want to fix the filters option not showing on WhatsApp video call, then what you need to do is first you need to simply tap and hold on to that WhatsApp application and go with the app info. Once you're under the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, now you need to go back and then you need to open up your Play Store and make sure that your WhatsApp is updated. So you need to update your WhatsApp if it's available. You just need to simply open up your WhatsApp Messenger, and instead of this open option, if you have any updates, you can simply go with update and update the WhatsApp application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then what you need to do is just restart your device, because restarting fixes many problems. So just press and hold on to that power button and tap on restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your filters option not showing on your WhatsApp video call. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.